Hello, my beautiful viewers. Thank you so much for visiting this. And in this video, I thought I should share some kinds of important and valuable information about what is the right time to make money. Actually, there are so many people. I will not talk about the world, but I'm an Indian and we'll talk about India. There are so many Indian. They first complete their academic studies, like first they will complete their 10th, 12th graduation, and then they will prepare for any kind of government or competitive exams. After clearing that, they start earning money, or sometimes when they are in class 10th or 12th, they will not think about making money, or they are not even taught in the school or by the society or by their parents that you can make money, because they think this is not the right time to make money. That's why I thought I should make this video and I'll share my own opinion. I won't say that you should follow me, you should do the way I'm telling you, but I'll tell you the process, I'll tell you my own opinion, I'll just tell you and share you my own experience that why making money is important these days and what's the right time to make money or to earn money for a living. What is the right time? Suppose you need to enroll yourself in any kind of schools or colleges or go anywhere. You need money. That's the time you need to work to make money. Because you can't devalue your finance, because most of the times people will tell you that knowledge is more than money. I agree that knowledge is more than money, but what if you have no food in your stomach? Then you'll die, and what will happen to your knowledge, right? And I'll tell you, if you have minimum finance, minimum money, then you can learn, you can go to any normal school where you can study. But if you have too much money, you will go to Harvard University, you will go to Cambridge University, you will go to the place what is in public figure, what is reputed. Why? Why you are not able to go to another country? If you want to go, having said that, because of lack of money, you are not able to go. That's why don't think about first I will complete my academic studies, 10th, 12th or graduation, then I'll think about earning money, because earning money is one aspect, is completely different from your academic studies, because academic studies will not teach you how to make money, but your need, your physical need will teach you how to make money. If you are studying, do study well, but please don't include your knowledge, your academic studies knowledge with money. You study there, but at least you should do something for earning. For earning, you can do side hustles, like you can earn whatever it is, like spending 1 or 2 hours a day or you can earn something so that you could fulfill your basic needs at least. And please do it, because you don't know. There are, and actually, why should I say that you don't know? Actually, you also know that there are so many successful businessmen. They have not studied well, but they are hiring knowledgeable people, they are hiring scholars, right? That's why you can't compare, or you cannot say that if you are too much knowledgeable, then you can make too much money. I'm not emphasizing too much. I'm not emphasizing only on money, but I'm just trying to make you realize that how in this physical world money is important for us, because money is not everything. And you also know that money is not everything, but I'll tell you, without money, there's nothing in this world. You came in this universe, you came in this world because your mother did so many things, your father did so many things, bought milk for you, bought so many products, bought so many clothes, get so many things to you. And now you are here. You can't even buy a chocolate without money. Then why you are ignoring these basic things, right? Money is not everything, but I'll tell you, money is the base of your life to sustain your life in a better way. This is the thing I just wanted to say. I just wanted to say, and if you have any complaint or any query regarding this, please tell me where I am wrong. And if you think what I said was right, then please start doing something for your living, because it doesn't matter how knowledgeable you are, because there are so many knowledgeable people in India, they're not able to get job, they're unemployed. That's why I'm telling you, don't wait for your government, don't wait for your public authority. Just do it by your own, side by side. At least spending at least little time over there on them, so that if you didn't get success in this field, but you will have something to survive yourself and to help your family members. This is what I had to say. And if you have any query or anything regarding this, you can comment below. And thank you so much for listening to it, and thank you so much for visiting this channel. If you are thinking that this video is helpful, you can share with your friends. And yeah, in the end, I would say that if you have any query, or I would say if you have any problem regarding your English speaking skills, communication skills, group discussion, interviews, etc., you can join me. Thank you so much for support and love. See you in the next video.